the number of children who are diagnosed with cancer every year in Ghana, about 1,500 children are diagnosed every year. Now, I want to speak to my imams, my pastors, and my traditional healers. It's good to pray. It's good to have faith. But the supreme being that we pray to give us knowledge. And that knowledge is with health professionals. Please, after you pray for them, let them come early. Don't spend all their money, and then when they come for the actual treatment, they don't have money to buy the drugs. Please. Now, the problem we are trying to solve is to reduce crowding in our general wards, to reduce the risk of infection, because these children have reduced immunity. So the whole project is actually supposed to help us find space where these children can be treated in dignity and then in a safe environment so that they can go home not with nosocomial infections, but with cure for the cancer and for the reason why they came. Now, I want to support what Mr. Addison said. Maybe it's an oversight on the part of the organizers to have a strategy for raising funds. I mean, there's already been a strategy for raising funds. My Keep Fit Club, in the month of April, we were able to raise more than 100,000 cedis for this project, just in a month. So I'm sure once we have a good strategy in place, we should be able to do this. I mean, when Ella first told me about this project, my first question is, how are you going to do it? And he said, you give me the seed fund. Once you give me the seed fund, the rest of it will come. But going forward, I'm sure we'll put the good strategy in place. And I'm very happy the media is here. We'll go around, and I'm sure I'm going to be the... Ella says she's a proud beggar. From today, and from all the days I've been begging, I'm sure I'm going to volunteer to be the second biggest beggar. So when I knock at your door or your office, please don't turn me away. Okay. And please, the last thing I want to say, maybe you have 1 Ghana cedi in your pocket now, or 10 Ghana cedis, or 50 Ghana cedis. Ella, can we have the ushers go around? Whatever you have that you want to support this project with, let's do it now. If you can, we want to give us a pledge, please let's write your phone number. We'll come to your office. If you want to give us a check, we'll come to your office for it. So let's have the ushers go around. And I want to thank all of you. Nana, we want to thank you very much for your support for this project. And to the hospital board and CEO, the support has been amazing. And to all my colleagues, health professionals, thank you very much for your support. And please don't leave us behind. Don't leave us here. When you leave here, please go with us. Tell people about us. Tell them how they can support this project. And together, we can make this a reality. Thank you very much.
All right. So Doc has said it all. Maybe we should go by what the chairman said. Let's go around. Boss, you need to help us. He's trying to find a way. You need to help us go around. But just as we were talking, we want to say a very big thank you to the CEO of Suntec Supermarket, because with me here is a check of 10,000 Ghana cedis. Mr. Kobna Abaka Texan, Wambakwa, Ndobe, why Wapupunansano. So we can, oh, thank you. I have some more. Jane, so please, the check. Wow. Okay, Obi is when you can. There was a huge, It is not easy to support a worthy cause, but it's worth it. So if yours is a pledge, you can just give me a, you know how we do it. Our mom sign. I'll see you back door, get the details, and then I'm sure the man who has dedicated himself to be visiting people from today, Dr. Jima, and the rest of the team will show up for collections. Remember, it's not only cash. Or you're done the receipt. Maybe an hour. As I was there, no, it's also acceptable. Thank you so much. So please, from members on the high table to a few persons who will get space, there's a bus available at the OPD. We'll all join the bus to the site where the Sod-Cutting will happen. So please, kindly take note. Well, it's not far from here, actually. There's a new eye clinic here at the teaching hospital. So, let's exercise. If you want to do the walking, we'll give you a little time, wait for you, but you can walk and meet. If you cannot join the bus or if you do not have space in the bus, you can take a walk to the site, just behind the new eye clinic, for us to do justice to this one. All right, so on that note, we're going to do part 2 at the site. The rest of the itinerary will continue at the site. And so, humbly, we'll let Osaberima rise with the rest of the team on the high table, and then we'll follow suit to the site for the Sod-Cutting. Please do well to join us at the site. We want to see the numbers at the site. Thank you very much.